Hey you guys, it's Dar. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walmart, about to get into some quick and easy rebate deals. No coupons are going to be needed for today's shopping. We're just going to be making our purchases, submitting back for our money, and leaving with some great deals. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time getting into these deals. Let's get started. So let's get started with these travel size deals. We have a number of rebates on Ibotta that are currently attaching to travel size items. Now this can end at any time, so do keep that in mind, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab them while they are working. First thing up, we love to grab these. These are the Olay body washes. They're $177. We're getting $5 back on 3 on Ibotta, so that should get $167 back each, making these only 10 cents a piece. Great price for these. Then the down here we have the Febreze to goes. These are $197, and then Ibotta is giving back $3.30 on 2, so it makes these roughly just 32 cents each, which is a nice price for those. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing those. Now, some deals I'm not going to get. The Head and Shoulders is attaching to the $3 on 2 rebate. Travel size will make those 47 cents each. I don't need any though. And then the Old Spice, these 97-cent travel size deodorants are attaching to their rebate. And this baby right here is attaching, so it'll make those like 99 cents, make these like 47 cents. And if you can't find the travel size Febreze in the travel size section, also check in your actual laundry section, because over here by the Shout, I found some more of these. The next thing we have the Colgate Pro Series. These are $9.96. I have $5 back on the coupons app, and we also have $3.50 back on Ibotta. That would make this $146. And then if you use the Alexa app, we also have $5 in cash back there, I think, as well. Next thing I wanted to grab is this Persil. So these are $5.44, these small bottles, but I do have double rebates that seem to be attaching on Ibotta. So I want to see if that works. And the double rebates are only working on my account. When I tried it on my husband's account, I don't think I saved the $1 offer, but on my account, I have a $2 and a $1 offer that are attaching to these bottles. That should make these $2.44 with no coupons needed. Let me show you. So we are gonna go in here and hit this little search bar and then go down here. And as y'all can see, I got a $2 and a $1. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get credit for 2 offers, but we're gonna test it and see, because you don't know until we test it and upload that receipt. If you use the free and clear detergent, another deal that you can do for laundry is picking up these little bottles right here. These are the 36 ounce. These are $3.47, but I have $2 back on Ibotta. It would make these just $1.47 with no coupons needed. Next deal I'm gonna do is on this Proper Good soup. So this is a nice little money maker for us. These are $5.98, and there is a try it free rebate that you can get $5.98 back with via PayPal or Venmo for picking up 1. And we also have $3.60 back on Shopkick. And if you use the Makenna app, this is a brand new app that I'm trying out, I was able to get a $2 cashback offer on there as well. So I should get $5.60 back in app rebates from Shopkick and Makenna, and then I should also get $5.98 back. Should make this a $5.60 moneymaker. Because it is such a good moneymaker, I'm actually gonna do it twice, one on my husband's, one on mine, so that we can double up, and because I actually wanna try these soups. So we're gonna grab 2 of these today. And the Makenna app, this is my first day using this particular app. This app reminds me of Ibotta. It's a rebate app. It's not a coupon-based app. These are actually rebates, and it seems to be more healthier, like food options, a lot of what's on this app. So I really like that. Very similar to Ibotta, you do have to get up to that $20 mark in order to cash out, and you can cash out to PayPal and Venmo. With the way that couponing is going, I really do think that couponing is going to be more app-based, more digital-based in the future. So I'm trying to definitely learn all of these different apps get a good understanding of all of these apps. So this is my first day using this app, and so I'm excited to see how it goes. But we are going to get back $2 today with this app. I had to go and unlock this offer within the Makenna app, and then it was added to my list, and then it was super easy to redeem this. When I redeemed, it was so easy. I scanned the product, scanned my receipt as normal, and then the $2 is added to your account. Thing I'm gonna be grabbing is this Tyson crispy breaded chicken variety pack. So this is $12.98 at my store, and Shopkick is giving back like $8 and some change. After the Shopkick point, this is gonna be $4.86. The next item I'm going to be grabbing is a Shopkick deal. So we're going to grab this Kraft Real Mayo. We're going to get the 12 ounce for $3.48. Shopkick is giving back 675 kicks, which is $2.70. So we're going to pay $3.48, then submit back to Shopkick. No coupons needed. That will make this baby just 78 cents. And if you're not already signed up for Shopkick, I will have my link to sign up in the description box. You'll get an additional $5 when you use promo code STAR on any one of these Shopkick deals. The next thing we're going to be grabbing is these Oreo ice cream sandwiches. You can also get the ice cream in the tub if you prefer, but I already have a couple of those at home when this deal came around last time. So I'm going to grab the sandwiches this time. So these are $4.98, and I'm going to get back $7 for buying two. So that's going to make them $1.49 each, no coupons needed. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm grabbing. No coupons needed. I'm going to go check out. I'm going to do two separate transactions for these rebates. Let's go check out, and then we are going to debrief to see how everything worked out. All right, you guys, so I am done shopping. Everything went perfectly. I did two transactions. I didn't have to use any paper coupons, so it was so easy. First transaction, I did everything except for the two ice cream bars and one of the proper good soup. So that transaction came up to $42.57 plus tax. I got back $14.30 from Ibotta. I did get back double for the Persil, so $3 per bottle, and I got credit for those travel size items. Made that $14.30 in cash back with no bonuses. Then I got back $14.54 from Shopkick. Shopkick was awesome today. 60 scan kicks plus 35.75 receipt kicks. Then I got back the $5.98 for the proper good rebate, and I submitted over for $2 on the Makenna app. So that made my total cash back $36.82. Made that transaction cost $5.75. Second transaction, super easy. Just did one of the proper good soups and the two ice cream bars. I did those separately because when you have too many items on your receipt with Swagbucks, it can kind of make it difficult or make you have to submit over for a review because the system will have a hard time reading it. So I did that with one of the soups so there would just be a clean receipt for Swagbucks, and that worked out perfectly. I got back the $7 instant credit. Then I submitted over on my husband's accounts for the proper good rebate again. I got the Shopkick rebate again, and then I also submitted over to Makenna on his accounts as well. Total back for transaction number 2 was $18.70. Made those three items a $2.76 moneymaker. Makes my net cost for both transactions only $2.99. I will definitely take everything that we got for $3, you guys, especially we got 2 bottles of Persil and we got food items. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.